Dear students, in this episode, that is D20, that will be the continuation of exercise 6.5 of the unit triangles. First two questions we worked out, and the third question is ABD is a right angle triangle, right angle at A, and AD is the perpendicular to AC is the perpendicular to BD. That is given. There are three results we can prove that. That is AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second, AD square is equal to BD into CD. Third one is AC square is equal to BC into DC. To prove this result, first of all, which triangles are similar or not? That means, first question, what is AB? AB is the base of the original larger triangle. BC and BD. BC, BD. That means, this in first problem, AB is the base of the original triangle ABD, and AB is another side of the smaller triangle. And BC, BD, that is larger triangle and small triangle. That means, for find out the first result or verify the first result, consider two triangles BAD and BCA. We get the first result. Then second, AD is the altitude of first triangle. BD and AD is the base of second triangle or hypotenuse of second triangle. BD CD. That means comparing first triangle and triangle ACD, we get the second result. For first result comparing BAD and BCA, we get the first result. For the second result comparing BAD and BCA, we get the second result. Then for the third one, AC square, therefore comparing these two small triangles, we get the result. This is the IQ that we can find out the result simply and directly. Therefore, first result, the triangle BAD and the second triangle BCA, we get the first. BAD and BCA, we get the second result. ACB and ACD, we get the third result. Then, first of all, to prove the result, that is not by Pythagorean relation, it is by the similarity of triangles. Therefore, listen. Question number 1. Angle A is equal to, that means triangle in triangle BAD and triangle BCA. Very good triangles. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. That is given. That means AC perpendicular to BD. AC given, that is AC perpendicular to BD. That is what is. Angle B is equal to angle B. Okay. B is the same angle of BAD and BCA. Therefore, triangle BAD that is angle criteria. Therefore, the sides are proportional. That is base of first triangle, that is AB, by base of the second triangle BC is equal to hypotenuse of highest triangle, that is BD. Hypotenuse of the first triangle BD, that is BD, by hypotenuse second triangle. Okay, base of the highest triangle or the larger triangle is AB, and the base of the smaller triangle is BC. Hypotenuse of the larger triangle is BD, and the hypotenuse against the BD, and the smaller triangle is AB. That is ratio of base and the hypotenuse. Cross multiplication. Therefore, which implies that AB square is equal to BC into BD. That is the first result. Clear? Then for second result, consider what? Right angle triangle BAD and DCA. We can set the result. This is equation number 1. Then for second, in triangle BAD and DCA, angle A is equal to angle ACD is equal to 90. That is given. Angle D is equal to angle D. Common. Therefore, triangle BAD, similar triangles BCA, that is angle criteria, that is equation number 2. Therefore, the corresponding sides are proportional. That is AD is the altitude of first triangle. Therefore, AD. And CD is the altitude of second triangle. That is CD, altitude of second triangle. This is right angle. Is equal to hypotenuse of the first triangle BD. Hypotenuse is the second triangle AD. Clear? Base altitude of first triangle is AD. Altitude of second triangle is CD. Hypotenuse of first triangle is BD. Hypotenuse of second triangle is CD. Cross multiplication B get AD square is equal to CBD into CD. That is the second result. Clear? That means from 1, what is our first equation? Triangle ABD similar triangle BCA. That means one line is parallel to other. Second line is parallel to third. Therefore, first and third are parallel. Similarly, one triangle is parallel to second triangle. First triangle is parallel. First triangle is similar to second triangle. First triangle is similar to third triangle. Therefore, second and third are also similar. That means for the third circle, question number 3. From 1 and 2, that is equation from 1 to 2. One is triangle BAD similar triangle BCA. Second is triangle BAD similar to triangle BCA. From 1 and 2, triangle BCA similar triangle DCA. That is from 1 and 2. Therefore, there is no reason for that. From 1 and 2, there is a reason. Therefore, AC, that is the altitude of first triangle, by base of the second triangle, first triangle, altitude of first triangle by altitude of second triangle DC is equal to base of first triangle, that is base of first triangle, altitude of first triangle by altitude of second triangle is equal to base of first triangle BC by altitude of second triangle AC. Cross multiplication, we get AC square is equal to BC into BC. That is the result. That is the result are not by the Pythagorean ratio. This result are the ratio of the sides are proportional. That is process. That is triangles are similar. Exercise 6.5. Then the fourth question is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right angle at the C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the C, that is A, B, C. That is right angle at the C. It is simple. These two sides are equal. That means this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 45, and the angle B is also 45. Therefore, it is an isosceles right angle triangle. That is answer is ABC, not ACB, is isosceles right angled triangle. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. Therefore, that's the reason. Reason is first one. Then what is AB? It is the hypotenuse. By Pythagorean relation. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. What is BC? AC. BC is replaced by AC. That is equal to AC square plus AC square. So equal to 2 AC square. That is simple question. That means we know that it is isosceles. There are two sides. So that means the sides, base and altitudes are equal. Therefore, again we consider the Pythagoras theorem. That is AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. That BC is replaced by AC. We get AC square plus AC square is 2 AC square. That is question number 4. This is only based on Pythagoras theorem. Question number 5. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Sorry, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that it is right angled triangle. Listen, this is the converse of previous problem. It is isosceles triangle. We know that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is the hypotenuse. AC and BC are equal. Therefore, we can do that this is right angle. Yes, sir. Answer is the converse of this the previous question. AC is equal to BC. That is equal. Therefore, base angles are equal. And AB square is equal to 2AC square. That is also equal. X square is x into x. 2x is x plus x. Therefore, 2AC square is equal to AC square plus AC square. That the AC is one AC is replaced by BC. This is what Sum of squares of two sides is the square of the third side, that is the coordinates of Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Coordinates of Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, triangle ABC is right triangle, right angle at C, that is the final answer. This is the coordinates of previous question. Yeah. Then the next question. That is question number 6. ABC is on equilateral. Equilateral triangle with the side 2A. Find each of its articles. That means all articles are equal in number because it is an equilateral triangle. A, B, C and D, that is the article. Article is also the median and also it is article is median and also it is it bisect the opposite side. There are three medians, but all medians are equal in length because that the triangle is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are 60 degrees. Therefore, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. It is given that is 2A. That is given. What is BD? Half BC. That is median. It is also median and antipode. Angle B is equal to what? 90 degree. That is also given. What is BD? It is equal to half into 2A. That is BC is equal to 2A. Then what is the Pythagoras theorem? Base square plus article square is equal to 5 square. In triangle ADB, AD square is equal to, that is R2 square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Is equal to, what is AD? 2A. That is 2A the whole square minus BD, that is A the whole square. Is equal to 4A square minus A square is equal to 3A square. That is AD. Therefore, AD is equal to root 3A square, that is equal to root 3A. into altitude. Root 3 base into altitude. Okay, therefore AD is equal to what? Root 3a, that is the altitude. All altitudes are equally measured. Then the next question, that is prove that sum of what is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AC. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CD square, CE square. Listen, O is a point in the interior of triangle, and there are three perpendiculars to the sides, that is OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AD. Prove this result. That means triangle ABC. O is an interior point. O D perpendicular to BC, that is OD. Then OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AD. These are right angles. We can prove that OA square, OB square, OC square. Therefore, we write as joint A and O, B and O, C and O. This is our question. Listen. Let us consider OD, OD, OE, OE, OF, then AF, BD, and C. Listen, AF is the first side, and BD is the first part of BC, and CE is the first part of AC. Therefore, we consider these three triangles. You see, we know that the left hand side is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. They are the Therefore, in right angle triangle, OFA, that is Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. Therefore, OA square minus OF square is equal to AF square. That is what's the Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras relation. That is equation number 1. That means we consider the right angle triangles on the base of the right side of that answer. Then let us consider triangle what's ODB. That is in right angle triangle ODB. What is this? OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. Therefore, OB square minus OD square is equal to BD square. That is equation number 2. Then we consider the third one. That is third one is what? Right angle COEC. In right angle triangle OEC. OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. Therefore, OC square minus OE square is equal to CE square. Question number 3. Adding these three results, we get to the first answer. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives what? OB square, that is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. All others are negatives. Minus OF square minus OD square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. That is our result. Okay, that means let us consider the triangles OFA, then ODB, then OEC. We get the result. Then second result of that one is prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. BF square. ABC, OD, OE, OF, right angle right angle, right angle. Then AF, BD, AF, BD, CE, AF, BD, CE. That is same process. Then AE, CD, BF. That means the sum of these three sides of that triangle AOFA, then ODB, then CEA. That means for the second circle, AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. Case number 1. That is hypotenuse square minus so it is also like in the previous case. Then BD square is equal to OB square minus OD square. Test number 1, test number 2, and CE square is equal to OC square minus OE square. Test number 3. That is AF square is equal. What is OA square minus OF square? Or AE. Yes. Then AE square is equal to that is AF square is equal to OA square is AE square plus OE square. AF square, no, it is AE square is equal to or OA square. OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. Then equation number 4. Then OB square is equal to, that is this triangle. That will give me 10 other triangles. The triangle this one and this triangle, the other 3 triangles. For other than first. That is OB square is equal to BF square plus OF square. Case number 5. Then OC square is equal to, from this second, that is triangle. OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. Case number 6. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives AF square plus BD CD square plus CE square is equal to OA square minus OF square plus OB square minus OD square plus CE square, plus OC square minus OE square. That is equal to, what is OA square? OE square plus AE square. Minus OF square plus. What is OB square? This one. OF square plus BF square minus OD square plus. What is OC square? OD square CD square minus OE square. Therefore, OE square minus OE square cancels, minus I square plus OF square cancels, OD square minus OD square cancels, that is equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. That is the second answer. Therefore, all other questions of that exercise is going to be discussed on next. Okay.